Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in your Gmail account in 2025. Now, you might be wondering, does Gmail even have a direct option to update the time zone? Well, the answer is no, but don't worry. There's a simple workaround using Google Calendar that will sync with your Gmail settings seamlessly. First, open your Gmail account in a web browser. Once your inbox is loaded, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small grid icon. Click on it. This icon gives you access to all your Google apps, including Google Calendar. After clicking the grid, a menu of apps will appear. Find the calendar icon and click it. It may take a moment to load, but once it does, you'll be in Google Calendar. Now, let's head to the settings. Look at the top right again. You'll see a gear icon, click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the general settings page for your calendar where you can customize different aspects of your experience. On the left-hand menu, find time zone and click it. Here, you'll see your current time zone displayed. To change it, simply click on it, scroll through the list of available time zones, and select the one that matches your location or preference. Google Calendar automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to hit a save button. And just like that, your Gmail account is now synced with your new time zone via Google Calendar. It's a quick and easy way to make sure your emails and schedules are aligned perfectly. If you ever need to update it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks to stay on top of your digital life.